Let's make a simple carrot cake using these 6 ingredients. Put in your 2 eggs into this bowl. Add in your milk and your oil. Whisk them together till they're properly mixed. You can be gentle because you don't need to incorporate a lot of moisture and air into the liquids. It's going to be a rich carrot cake, and I do not want it to have so many spaces, holes in it. So be gentle while you're whisking it. After whisking it, you can add in your oil. Whisk it in properly till it's properly mixed to the milk and eggs. Okay, and then after whisking it in, you can put in your flour. Add in bit by bit so that you can easily whisk it if you don't have a hand mixer, because it can get kind of hectic using your hands. So I'd recommend to just be gentle, add in a little bit of flour while gently whisking it in. I want it to have a fine texture while it's finished baking, so that is why I'm not putting a lot of pressure while I'm whisking it in. Put on the rest of the flour, add your carrots and your mixed spices. Fold them into the mixture gently till they're properly mixed in. It's done. So now we take it and dust our baking tin. You used butter and flour. So my baking tin is ready. Then I poured in my mixture. I really hope it comes out well. So bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes.